ONDS, Ondas, which is rallying today after receiving some orders for its autonomous systems. Tell us about this one, George. This is obviously a beneficiary of all the defense spending. Talk us through it.
Yeah, that's right. I think there's an element of defense spending that's been a catalyst for Ondas, but also sort of a domestic national security issue associated with things like border patrol, and also a lot of money that's being spent on software-defined networks for autonomous vehicles and drone technologies that help secure installations in the United States, like electric utilities. You have to think about rail and transportation systems, oil and gas pipelines, border security, defense, and of course airport security. And these are just basically a handful of industries that Ondas actually supports with their technologies, both their drone infrastructure technology and their, of course, radio software-defined network technologies. The catalyst for the company really has been the spending, both domestically, internationally, and defense. Some of the defense contracts they actually compete with include Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, BAS Systems out of Europe. So these are some of the majors, but Ondas is certainly a smaller company in the space with a market cap of around $3.4 billion. But overall, when they reported earnings last, they did talk about their backlog, which is around 22 million. It's continued to increase, and today they also secured another $10 million deal to of course, sell their AI autonomous technologies to multiple customers. Growth rates for the business have actually been quite robust, up over 100% year over year in terms of top line sales. In context, this $10 million increase is quite substantive considering top line sales for the business in the last 4 quarters has only been 24 million. So this is increasing it substantially. But if you look at the estimates for earnings, in terms of revenues going forward, they're only expecting 38 million next year, but that number is jumping over 200% to 140 million next year.
You and I have spoken about this name a couple of times on this particular segment, and I think it was back in October. It had jumped, considerably since the start of the year. I don't know, but over the last couple of months since then, it has been sort of sideways-ish type action. I'm just wondering if you read into that at all. What happened? Why did we stop there? Why did we pull back a little bit? Was there some sort of catalyst? Because